folks, Aaron here from Beansprout with number 1019. This is a beautiful tenor ukulele. And this one's for a local music teacher, and so we went with some local woods for it. So the back and sides are some, and the fretboard and everything, are some beautiful walnut milled from a tree in Parkdale. And when the tree was dried, it like split and warped because they didn't dry the tree very well. So instead of getting big, long, nice boards, they could only get kind of short boards. So I got a bunch of the short boards and we're able to make little things like this. And boy, aren't we lucky. So I love this sapwood, so I worked really hard to match that down the fretboard and everything. And then the other timbers on at the top is also some cedar from Parkdale. It's a nice wide grain cedar that was like on an orchard boundary fence. And then the neck is a piece of Douglas fir. So it's got a low G, it's got a K&K pickup, walnut binding. Yeah, it's great. Just nice and vibrant. Got big, beautiful tone. So this is 1019, ready to go. Cheers.